Welcome to ZoomInData. This is video 18 of our Azure Data Factory course. In this video, we are going to learn advanced transformations in mapping data flows. These transformations are used after core transformations and are required when logic becomes complex. Our focus in this video is on real-world scenarios, where simple transformations are not enough. Advanced transformations are used when business logic becomes complex. They help handle advanced data processing scenarios that cannot be solved using simple transformations. These transformations are very commonly used in enterprise-level pipelines. To use them correctly, we must have a strong understanding of the basics. All advanced transformations are built on top of core transformations. In real-world projects, data is rarely clean or simple. Business rules are usually complex and keep changing. Data relationships can be one-to-many or many-to-many. At the same time, performance optimization is very important. Because of this, core transformations alone are often not enough. The window transformation is used for window-based calculations. It works on partitions of data instead of the full dataset. Even after calculations, it maintains row-level detail. This transformation is very similar to SQL window functions. It is commonly used in ranking and analytical scenarios. Window transformation is commonly used for ranking records. It is also used for calculating running totals. Another common use case is identifying the latest or earliest records. It helps in handling time-based logic. Overall, it is very useful for advanced analytical processing. Surrogate key transformation is used to generate unique keys. These keys are usually sequential identifiers. This transformation is very common in data warehousing. It is mainly used for dimension tables. Surrogate keys also simplify joins in downstream systems. The exists transformation is used to check whether a record exists. It works similar to the exists condition in SQL. Based on existence, it filters the data. This is very useful for validation logic. It is also commonly used in incremental load scenarios. Alter-row transformation is used to control how rows behave at the sink. It can mark rows for insert. It can also mark rows for update. It can even mark rows for delete. This transformation is very important for implementing upsert logic. Flatten transformation is used to handle nested data. It expands arrays into individual rows. This is very common when working with JSON data. It works with semi-structured data. Flatten helps simplify complex data structures. Pivot transformation is used to convert rows into columns. It helps reshape data into a reporting-friendly format. This is very common in reporting scenarios. Pivoted data is easier for BI tools to consume. However, it requires careful design. Unpivot transformation converts columns into rows. It is the opposite of pivot. This transformation is used for data normalization. It helps standardize datasets. Unpivot is commonly used during data preparation. Union transformation is used to combine multiple data streams. It appends data vertically. The schemas of the datasets must be compatible. This works similar to union all in SQL. Union is commonly used in data consolidation scenarios. Handling null values is very critical. Proper null handling prevents pipeline failures. It also improves overall data quality. This is required for production pipelines. Null handling must always be planned carefully. Advanced transformations consume more resources. Because of this, execution cost is higher. They should be used only when required. Partitioning should be optimized. Performance must be tested early in development. Advanced transformations help handle complex logic. They are widely used in enterprise pipelines. They are built on top of core transformations. Performance awareness is very important. These transformations are essential for real-world projects. Now let's look at some important interview questions related to this video. A very common question is, what is a mapping data flow in Azure Data Factory? Interviewers also ask about the difference between window and aggregate transformations, so you should be clear about row-level versus grouped calculations. Another frequently asked question is when to use the alter-row transformation, especially in upsert scenarios. You may also be asked how the exists transformation works and where it is used. Finally, performance-related questions are very common, such as how to optimize complex data flows in Azure Data Factory. In the next video, we will focus on parameters in data flows. We will also learn about variables and expressions. This will help us design dynamic data flows. It will also improve reusability and flexibility. Thank you for watching this video. This Azure Data Factory course is created by ZoomInData. The course is carefully designed for both beginners and advanced learners. Our focus is not just theory, but real-world projects and interview-ready skills. We are excited to continue this learning journey with you. See you in the next video.